Welcome back, Rico Moneybags. Today we're going to be talking about Prometheum Prodigy on the channel, making you some extra money, manifesting some extra money to make sure we all get one of these BTC, if not more, inside a wallet. Check that out right there. We're going to manifest some extra money and manifest us a BTC 2, 3, and 4. But today we're going to be talking about Prometheum Prodigy. This is a big shout out to Pablo Crow. He's on a live stream right now, so just let him know when you guys see this video that I said what's up. The last live stream he did talking about Prometheum Prodigy, he asked me when the next video was going to come out. I told him there was going to be a video down the pipeline. This is that video. At the end of the video, we're going to do some price prediction, technical analysis, so you guys are not going to want to miss out. While Bitcoin is, raging, climbing heights of almost 45,000 is that psychological barrier, right? That 45K. We want to look at some other projects that have some potential, and this is where Prometheum Prodigy steps right in. Okay, so let's get started. Let's not waste no time. We have AI integrated layer 2 blockchain platform built on top of the Ethereum network. Prometheum Prodigy aims to enhance the scalability, transaction speed, and security within Ethereum ecosystem while leveraging cybersecurity and artificial intelligence technologies to ensure network safety and improve performance. PMPY, smart contract address. I'm going to have all these official links down below. I'm also going to have a link to my new Fire TG. You guys are not going to want to miss out. We're going to grow that organically. It's also going to be there. It's called the Moneybags Mansion. And we have some links from BYD5 that a lot of people are signing up because some of those plays are being put in that TG. So do not miss out. On top of the link, it's going to be at 0x1123D1 contract address down below where you guys can stay safe in the space and use the right contract address. And you guys see the same chart that we're going to look at the end of the video, right? So let's go ahead and get into the tools of Prometheum Prodigy, which the name sounds fantastic. It has a ring to it. So our tools and resources are designed to meet the needs of both the experienced blockchain and DeFi experts, as well as new investors to the crypto industry. This is something that I love a lot right here. And the reason why is like a lot of people want to have a lot of new investors, a lot of new retail investors, but sometimes people don't want to go through the teething pains and the growing pains of teaching people how to do this. And I like that Prometheum Prodigy is thinking not only about the OGs, the veterans that already went through a bull market or two, or maybe this is their first time entering a bull market and this was their first bear market that they felt. On top of that, the new ones that are going to be coming in, because let's face it, we want crypto adoption. There's going to be some teething pains. There's going to be some growing pains, but also a great possibility to provide some tools where new investors can say, hey, it was Prometheum Prodigy that helped me get to the next level to make sure I can catch up to those OGs and veterans. So let's keep that in mind. So we got Prodigy Stake. Our secure and dependable platform enables projects to offer attractive annual percentage rates, APR, as rewards to their investors and holders. So right here we see something. This is Prodigy Stake. Platforms enables projects with an S to offer attractive annual percentage rates and APR. So sounds like something more to me right here. So project sounds like they're going to be going a lot more because maybe all the projects that use their blockchain. So we'll learn more about this. Maybe I'll do like a vote on the X page where we can decide which one we do a deep dive on, right? Because we got to learn more on all of these. But I want some engagement. I want some likes, some subscribe buttons being hit, some sharing of this video, and then we'll probably do a vote on X and see which one we do a deep dive on. But let's do this overview. We got Prodigy Flip mobile app, which I'm super bullish on. Check this out. The Prodigy Flip crypto trading mobile app is set to revolutionize the way cryptocurrency traders invest in crypto. With its decentralized multi-chain exchange, traders will have access to a secure platform where their assets are fully protected within the Prodigy Flip DeFi wallet. So we have blockchain, we have wallet. Additionally, the app offers a state-of-the-art AI analytic tools, enabling traders to make informed decisions. None of this is financial advice, but making informed decisions. The inclusion of Prodigy AI robotic algorithmic trading assistant bot further enhances the trading experience, providing users with valuable assistance and support. Experience the future of crypto trading with Prodigy Flip. Like and subscribe. Make sure the bell notifications lit, especially if you're part of this project, if you're bullish on Prodigy, on Prometheum Prodigy, because the minute this goes live, we're going to do some technical analysis. We're going to use these tools that they're talking about right here on the channel. So Prodigy Chain, the Prometheum Prodigy is a layer 2 blockchain platform built on top of the Ethereum network. Like I said, we'll have like a drum roll going for this vote where we'll pick what you guys want me to talk about next. So like that, also the team knows what you guys are looking forward to. So be on the lookout. Make sure you guys follow me at Rico Moneybags on X, because we're going to have that poll where you get to vote. Am I going to talk about Prodigy Stake on the next video? Is it going to be the Flip mobile app? Is it going to be the Prodigy chain, or this Prodigy AI integration that I'm about to talk about right now? So with AI integration, smart contracts can be executed more intelligently, enabling advanced data analysis and optimization. So like I said, the next video, the faith of that is in your guys' hands. Those who are liking and subscribing, making sure that bell notification is lit, and making sure you follow me on X. That's at Rico Moneybags. You guys are going to see the poll for what the next video is going to be about. So next generation AI integrated smart bot technology, the AI bot to assist in the buying, selling of tokens, as well as ability to trade for you within the Prodigy Flip crypto mobile app trading application. Like I said, this is just the teasers of this until you guys vote and we talk about what we're gonna what's gonna be in the next video. So this is their vision right here: secure, reliable innovation. I'll leave some meat on the bone so you guys can check this out. But we basically cover some of this right up on top, but I'll leave some meat on the bone. But basically the secure, reliable, and innovation of Prometheum Prodigy. Next, we have artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in enhancing various aspects of PMPY. So artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in enhancing various aspects of PMPY. AI technologies are used for the threat detection, so safety, analyzing suspicious transactions behavior. I'm assuming like a type of sandwiching bot that protects you from being front run, so a front run bot, and providing intelligent monitoring and network management. That's basically going to need this. This is going to have to be in place for these things to work. So you can count on this for sure if it's going to have these this tech right here. Security is a fundamental aspect of Prometheum. Advanced security mechanisms, encryption, and transaction validations are employed to ensure a high level of security for users and applications leveraging this platform. And we're going to leverage it. We're going to see what we can do with it to get more Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's still pumping. I'm still excited. I can't stop grinning. And I want you guys to help me share this video, help the crypto space grow, not only Prometheum, but also all of crypto together. And you guys can like and share, get this YouTube algorithm to work for you guys and help grow this channel. I'm seeing the analytics showing me so many good reports, everything picking up, the ratio to subscribers to non-subscribe watching the channel. And that helps me motivate. It motivates me to keep dropping videos for everybody. So let's continue. We got Prometheum Prodigy focuses on optimizing the performance and efficiency of the smart contracts on the Ethereum network. With AI integration, smart contracts can be executed more intelligently. Oh, we went through that. So enabling advanced data analysis and optimization. We went through that. So this is the roadmap we have right here. Delta phase 3. Okay, so all right. That's probably the only thing I'm gonna say. Maybe this would have been, but that's subjective, right? Backwards. So like that, we could have started at number 1. But the roadmap is launch of the token, the pre-sale happened, the website launch, which we're on, the Prodigy Flip platform. So that's coming up quick. I'm almost sure they're at 1,000 holders already. So they're at 1,000 holders. So we could check that off the list. Also, I would do that. You know, that I would probably flip this around. That's subjective. It could stay upside down. But I would have it where these things are being lit up on a regular and checked off the list, because this is huge. 1,000 holders, advertisement, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing. We see these up here right on there. So that's already done. Yeah, because that's extra clout. Make sure you guys give them a follow also at Prometheum PMPY. Make sure the bell notification lit, like that you guys will not miss out on any updates coming from them. But CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, DEX listing, of course. So we're right here in phase 3, paid marketing, enhance or exchange listing, contract audit application, 5,000. So we're right around phase 3, looking for this phase 4 section. So something to keep in mind. And you guys can check this out right here, okay? Like I said, I'll leave some meat on the bone, some functions, mindful of the lesson robotic sniper. So I'm going to do this where we apply this poll that we're going to do, okay? We're going to do that poll. So like that, we got some engagement, but these are the taxes, the Prodigynomics. I like that. Total supply 1 billion, 2% to the holders, 5% for development and marketing and funding. And liquidity is locked, no team token. So we're looking at 7 in and 7 out. So that's not bad. And these are the exchanges that you can find it on. So let's get to the nitty gritty, the meat and potatoes, what everybody's waiting for. Let's go ahead and get into some price predictions because this one's sitting at a $9.5 million market cap. And I believe this one has the potential to keep going. It's looking really good. And of course, it has Pablo Crow, talking about it on a regular basis. And let's admit it. Pablo Crow be knocking it out the park. We have to admit it. I seen in his live stream when he was talking about, some of the stuff. It's hard for us, but when everybody was still saying that Bitcoin was going to keep going lower, Pablo Crow, a few other influencers, and I will have to take some of that as well, was saying that the bull market was already in, but we just couldn't see it yet. We're in the bull market, just the bull run has not kicked off. But I don't know how much more we need to say Bitcoin dancing around, flirting with 45,000. It's safe to say that we are going to be breaking up that way. But these are some prices we're going to be looking at, some channels we'll look at as far as the short term goes for PMPY. Obviously, this one has the potential to keep going into the hundreds of millions. This is a layer 2 blockchain app, and especially with one of the best influencers that have been spot on with a lot of things. We're talking about the Volt Army. How good did that do with Crow? So he's basically has stamped his way into this influencer and also crypto analysis. We're here, and this is the next round. It's our turn right now to go ahead and send this to the next level. So I'm just marking this chart up really quick, looking at it zoomed out on the hour chart. But let's go ahead and get some arrows so I can see exactly what we got going on. We can look at these prices, right? So we know prior resistance is future support, which we have that right here. This was that prior resistance before it broke out, made a support, started to climb right back up. So it's not having any problem. And then the same thing happens again. It breaks out, sits on top of it. So we see that little a little resistance or whatever, but then pushes right back past it, right? We have that. So the all-time high is right up here. We might as well just put the arrow up there in that price. I'll go ahead and mark it. You guys get to hear that internal dialogue because we're just going to do it like that. Sometimes I like to have it set up, but I think it's better to go through the steps. So like that, those who are new, same thing with those teething pains and those growing pains we were talking about, those who are new to not only just crypto, but now having to look at charts, they can see how we do it, right? Sometimes we get a little comfortable and expect everybody to know what's going on with not only crypto, what blockchain means, what are tokens compared to stable coins, and not to top it off, they also got to learn technical analysis. So we got to have some patience and trust the process. So we got the support level right now. That support level, and we'll talk about the all-time high right now. So that support level is at 0.01275. The all-time high was 0.01. So 368. We're not even that far away to creating some FOMO right out the gate, especially capitalizing on what's going on with Bitcoin, with ETH, with the overall crypto market. So I believe this one's going to keep climbing. Looking at a support right here. If you're looking to get in, obviously not financial advice, keep an eye on this support level right here. This is a pretty healthy support. It seems like it doesn't want to come underneath this right here. We have 1,000 holders. If you see the holders continue to climb and we no longer go underneath this, that could be that new base right there. Also tap in on that Telegram link that I have in the channel. I'll be keeping an eye on PM, PY, and like that you guys can stay up to date as I keep an eye on the price predictions for this one. But I can see this one going to go touch that all-time high and for sure break past it because it's usually that psychological barrier. So we're creeping on that 0.01, which is 1 cent, but we're almost at that halfway where we go to 2 cents. And then after 2 cents, 2.5, 3 cents, 3.5, 4 cents, and so forth. Those are those psychological barriers we'll be paying attention to. This one, the all-time high was close to that 1.4, so 1.5 cents almost. But these are psychological barriers. Let's see what happens. If we break past this, we could see something similar to this. Once we break past that all-time high, making that support and riding back up. Same thing that happened down here, right? That prior resistance becoming future support. Sometimes they'll do it right inside the zone. It actually broke out. There was some FOMO. I'll be honest with everybody there. It's probably why I just kept climbing, but it eventually pulled back. And we could see something like that because this is a resistance just like this was before. So possibly poking past that, coming back down, maybe not touching all the way, maybe touching this. But if it could hold there, that would be a sign of a new floor and people will continue to add from there. And then the chart will look like a continuation moving either to the right or to the upside. If you guys like the sound of that, like, subscribe, continue to follow me on X at Rico Money Bags. Tap in the TG, use some of the links for BYDFi, and get some of that free money sitting on the table. I think it's like $150. Or if you guys don't want to do that, just continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.